Hi mga kachimbori! What's up? Ayan. Grabe ang hangin dito sa Japan. Today is Friday. October... What? I forgot. 13? Oh no. 13. No. Ay, hindi ko alam kung anong pitsa ngayon. Sorry. Did you like my hair? Pinky. Ayan. What's up mga kachimbori? Ayan. Nandito ako sa labas kasi imi-meet up ko si Teresita Taylor. Kasi today is Friday. Dance line namin. Mali lang. Sandali lang ako. Ang bigat-bigat ng dala ko. Ayan. So, maya-maya nagbuwak ako. Ayan. Napagod ako sa nagbuwak. Sasabihin ko ulit sa inyo kung bakit ako nagmamask. Kasi, tingnan nyo yung weather. Kasi, malakas ang hangin talaga dito mga kachimbori sa... Ay. Ayan. Ayan. Ang bigat. Ang bigat talaga ng dala ko. Maano kasi yan mga kachimbori? Mahangin. Ayan. Mahangin kasi dito kaya nag-aano ako. Nagmamask ako. Just to protect myself lang mga kachimbori. Tingnan mo. Yung iba hindi naman nag-aano. Hindi naman nag-aano. Grabe talaga yung hangin. Sinisira niyo yung beauty ng buhok ko. Alam niyo ba yung mga kachimbori? Ayan. Sandali, ang bigat talaga ng ano ko. Ay, tingnan niyo mga kachimbori. Oh, hala. Iniisip, pero pinapanood ko siya at sinusuportahan ko siya noon at hanggang ngayon. Kahit hindi man ako, napapagod ako magtambay tapos isi-share ko sa kanila sinishare ko kasi yan sa kanila si ano. Where you just get?
Yeah, I did not see you.
Where you just get out on the bus now? Just now.
No.
Where have you been? I'm here.
Go up, and then
Okay.
I get out. I saw you want to go. I did not see you.
Nagulat ako.
Look like I'm dead, but I want to go because I want to know what is the news. And Felix told me I have to say what.
So mga kachimbori, we're late. Ayan,
Ay,
nahuli kami. Ayan. Nagtalang ba kami, bay? Hindi na namin alam kung nasaan na kami, mga kachimbori. Ayan, Domino's, oh. Sarap. Alam mo, wala palang Domino's sa ano? Sa...
Mukhang aswang ko mo.
Tofnell Park. Na-over, na late kami, late na kami, lumagpas pa kami kung saan na kami dito, hindi namin alam. Ayan. Walang bus. So, sorry mga kachimbori, mga bang.
Tante dito at saka harap ko.
Bibili nga lang ako. So mga kachimbori talaga napraning kami. Late na kami, nag-over pa kami. Nawala pa yung, akala ko na wala pa yung wallet.
Yung kaibigan ko doon sa Knightsbridge, mag-shopping kami.
Sakit talaga ng
kaya katatanggap niya ng sweldo niya.
Babay.
Mas yung bag niya. Outside. Ngayon ni Bing dalawa.
My baby.
Okay, let's go.
Sexy. Hindi daw kami makasali kasi hindi kami marunong. I like my hair. You like my hair? Really? No. Shoutout pala kay Marites Vlog. kay Beth family, and kay Sergio Boy, my bestie, at saka magsha-shoutout pala ako mga kachimbori sa bago kong upload lately, sa upload ko sa Parliament. Mega shoutout to Miss Elaine Channel, and kay Kylie Hankinmark, mega shoutout po, and kay Jerick, yan, at saka kay Sis LV Moico, I love you Sis LV Moico, kay Renita Romero TV, and kay GM's TV, kay Trivong Arvin Consi, I love you, at saka kay Handicraft Jahan. Just PM me if correct, mag-comment ka lang, comment down below if I did pronounce correctly. Thank you. Kay Sir Renato Aguinaldo, at mega shoutout sa lahat ng family, na buong family ng Aguinaldo's family from Philippines to USA, California. Mega shoutout po Aguinaldo's family ni Sir Renato Aguinaldo. I love you all. At saka kay DC Yang, at saka kay Zaniel Vlog, yun, at saka kay Mama's Love Life, and kay Dayla Quachera, ayun, pinsan ko yan. Thank you, Kas. At saka kay Paula Bale, o kay Kitchenette, yun, kay Tatay Wilfredo Erta, I love you. At saka kay Mantix, thank you. At saka kay Unesa Official, thank you sis Unesa Official, thank you. At saka kay Concentrate Tail, mega shout out my brother. At saka kay Yankis Marites Ganda, I love you. Parikoy, thank you. At saka kay Juan Mokichi, at saka kay Sisikoy CTC Collection, kay Mangyets 9232, ayan. At saka kay Mr. Biggs TV, at saka kay Charles 765, at saka kay Norfaithda, thank you. At saka kay Mahina Smile Kabayan, thank you. At saka kay Bennett TV Vlogs, at saka kay Sunflower Kitchen, kay Brother Pogi ko, kay Raymond San Jose, I love you. At saka kay Ju 1409, at saka kay Lisel, ayun, thank you so much. At kay paring Tropang Junjun, I love you. At saka kay Snake Games 07, thank you. At saka kay Lynn Martorillas, I love you Sisi. At saka kay Bunso Kolay Rikayan yan, I love you. And kay sino pa? Kay Jim Wattins, kay Watin Official. Shout out din pala kay Sir Oleg Ridings Vlog, mega shout out kabayan. At saka kay Boy Langis, kay sino pa? Kay Jane Comidero 83, at saka kay Atlesel, at saka kay sino pa? Kay Trip ni Jerick, at saka kay Neo mismo si King. I don't know if I did pronounce properly. Please comment down below. And Jamie Watkins Jr. Ayan, thank you. At saka kay Vision Official 2. Thank you. Mega shout out. At saka kay Shinin Kiong. Mega shout out. Kay Budoy. Kay Kabudoy TV 4010. Thank you so much. Kabayan. Kay Frederick Mandrisa, mega shout out and thank you. At saka kay G. Watten, mega shout out. At saka kay Iris Osihelio, mega shout out. And kay Tita Au official 275. And kay Dan Adventures 1601, thank you so much. At saka kay Aris BP 9211, mega shout out. Kay Kuya Werdo Malibog official, ayan. Kuya Werdo, I love you. At saka kay Angeli Me EE8CF, mega shout out. And kay Sir Sinon Peralta official, mega shout out. At saka kay Dura Yaong Mix Vlogs, mega shout out. At saka kay Dura Yarn 143 ko, I love you. Ayan. At saka kay sino pa? Mega shout out din ko kay Kotitsos Gross Diaries. Yun. At saka kay Fin Dining, mega shout out sa inyo. Kay Miba SMR. Ayun, mega shout out. At saka kay Sisi ko Josephine Bofre, I love you. Mega shout out to you, Sisi. At saka kay Marvin Manaba official, mega shout out to you. At saka kay Paola Bali. And kay Tina Journey PH. Sis, thank you so much. Ayan. At saka kay sino pa? Kay Filipina Lifestyle within. Hindi ko mabasa. I'm so sorry. Comment down below. Thank you so much. And kay sino pa? Kay Sisikoy Kaluds channel. Thank you so much. At saka kay RR Little Farm. I love you. I hope everything is going to be back sooner or later. I always pray for that. At saka kay Marlon Grave 7122, mega shout out to you too. At saka kay Marie Vlogs, thank you. At saka kay GCP, ayan, thank you. At saka kay Joel Digos naman, mega shout out to you. At saka kay Kabandirang Reyes Idol, I miss you. Ayan, sorry hindi ako nakapag-live. Hindi mo ako nasisindan ng words of Gods. And thank you always. Maraming salamat from the bottom of our hearts. Ayan, kilalang kilala ka na ni Kulot. And bigyan shout out din kay kabayan ko, my best friend vlog, kay Jerome Asunyo, at saka kay Gfit Esteban, thank you so much. At saka kay Kapinas official, thank you so much. Ayun, thank you, maraming. Kay sino pa? Kay Hello Kitty Riders sa pinsan ko, at saka sa lahat ng mga solid supporters ko, solid na nagmamahal sa akin, maraming salamat at parati kayo nandyan. Sana hindi kayo magsawa, na wag niyong pabayaan ang channel natin. Ayan, sa lahat ng mga members ko, maraming salamat. Alam niyo kung sino na kayo. Ayan, maraming salamat. At saka kay Jumar Asunyo, thank you so much. At kay Marites Vlog, thank you. At saka kay sino pa? Kay GFC TV 8031, mega shout out to you. And kay Home Cook, ayan, 1048, thank you so much. At saka kay Jean Comidero 83, mega shout out. At saka kay GW Vlogs official, thank you so much. Mega shout out to you. At saka kay Jan Marud, mega shout out po. And kay No Choice Vlog official, ayan, mega shout out sa inyo, sa bago mga naghag sa channel ko, thank you so much. At saka kay Aris BP 9211, mega shout out din. At saka kay Neil Roy Soriano, ayan, mega shout out sa you. And Sisi Koy si TC, I love you talaga. At saka kay Boy Gags Chumadlakhav, mega shout out to you. And kay sino pa? Kay Don Diego, mega shout out. And kay Boy Gats nabasa ko na rin pala yan. Maraming kay PGNT Gimaras, kay Paparis TV, kay Kabady Albert, at saka kay sino pa dyan sa lahat ng mga parating naghahag sa channel ko. Alam nyo, pasensya na po kayo kung hindi ko kayo maisa-isa. Maraming salamat po sa inyo talaga. Hindi ko kayo nakakalimutan. Kay Komino, ayan, miga shout out to you, at saka kay paring Wonderful Lives channel ng Japan, miga shout out din to you, and to good morning po mga kachimbori, at sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa mga kachimbori dyan, and sa mga bago ko mga naghag sa channel ko. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng support nyo, and please kung may time kayo, likes, comments, and sana panoorin nyo lahat hanggang dulo yung mga bawat upload ko, and pakishare na rin nyo kung may time kayo sa community po ninyo. And good morning everyone. Ayan, tapos na po ang dance line ko every Friday, and pupunta na kami sa bus station. While we're walking, sinabi ko sa kanila na magtatrabaho na po ako on Tuesday, and they're very supportive and happy for me, and thank you sa lahat ng mga dance line group ko, kasi they're very supportive for me what I have my decision, and they're happy for me too. And yung kausap ko pala na yan is siya ang nagbigay sa akin ng idea kung saan po ako magtatrabaho dito sa London, kasi dati siyang nagtatrabaho sa John Lewis, and she just always give me a good advice and what I'm going to do. And she told me that just be who you are, be honest to yourself, dahil yan ang number one na gustong-gusto nila sa isang partnership nila na nagtatrabaho din sa kanila. Honest, and be who yourself, and be always smile, and be good approachable to your customer. Yan lang po ang mga ina-advise niya sa akin, and thank you so much. Miga shout out to you, Meli Balay, and to her husband, Kuya Oliver Balay. Thank you so much to both of you, because since the beginning that I entered on dance line, you one of the most very advisable for me, what I'm going to do, what I'm going to put my money, when I'm going to go have a work, and save just like what they did, so that they can build a house. I can build a house, something like that. And super thankful po talaga ako sa inyong lahat, and look at that, they're very happy for me. I love you both, and love ko na rin kayong lahat ng mga grupo ko sa dance line ko. And I hope you always happy and safe and healthy. Ayan, andito lang ako para sa inyo, and sorry kung hindi man ako makapunta every Friday kasi I have a work now, pero I make it sure that if I have a holiday on Friday and Sunday, I can meet up to you in the church. And don't worry, I'm not going to throw my membership to you, and to my teacher Evelyn Villarosa. Thank you so much, and you're very understanding, and sana safe travel when you go back to visit the Philippines. And andito lang ako to support all your journey, and I'm one of your solid supporter. Bye, I love you guys.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. you.